Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your MetLife Dental Benefits Card, coverage activation guide step by step clearly. To activate your MetLife Dental Benefits Card, begin by locating your card and your member ID number. Ensure you have your information handy as you proceed. Visit the official MetLife website. Once there, navigate to the Member Services section. Look for the option to activate your dental benefits card. Click on that option to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your member ID number. Input your member ID number accurately in the designated field. Next, provide your personal details as requested. This may include your full name, date of birth, and contact information. Double-check the information for accuracy before continuing. After filling in your details, click on the Submit button to move forward. Wait for a confirmation message on the screen. This message will inform you whether the activation was successful. If successful, you will receive instructions regarding your dental benefits. If you encounter any issues, contact MetLife customer service for assistance. Have your member ID and personal information ready when you call. Once your card is activated, you can start using your dental benefits. Keep a record of your activation confirmation for future reference. Congratulations, you've successfully activated your MetLife Dental Benefits Card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.